kinikilabutan daw sila, na naiiyak sila. The first time they heard na tinutugtog ng live yung Philippine National Anthem.
Na-represent namin yung banda. Hindi lang yung banda, ang city at ang buong Pilipinas.
Hindi namin in-expect na ganun ka laki at saka ganun sila ka-passionate na i-support yung kapwa nila Filipino.
Iba yung kaba iba yung kaba namin. This time kasi we're representing yung marching band of the Philippines.
Pagliko sa may Madison Avenue, parang hindi ko alam yung mararamdaman ko, parang kang overwhelmed ka sa nararamdaman mo. Kasi nakita mo dami talaga Pilipino sa stretch ng Madison Avenue.
Tuwang-tuwa. Kahit hindi sila involved sa banda, basta taga-Bacoor, sobrang proud. Kahit hindi pa nga yung taga-Bacoor, kahit taga-ibang lugar, basta Pilipino. Tuwang-tuwa sila. At mga sila na nagawa ng Bacoor yung ganun bagay, na mapagpadala ng banda dito.
We're celebrating the 127th Philippine Independence Day. I'm so happy for the first time nakasama po namin ang pinakakinala at ang ating pong multi-awarded na El Gobernador ng lalawigan ng Cavite po sa siyudad ng Bacoor.
What is a fiesta's importance and relevance to a community? The fiesta, the Filipino fiesta, brings everyone together. Magkakapit-bahay, magkakabaryo, magkakabarangay, whatever background, pag fiesta, nagsasama-sama.
Kaya po kami nakikisa sa Philippine Independence Day na ating mga Pilipino dito sa New York. At sa 35th annual celebration dito ng New York City, natutuwa po kami sa pagkakataong binigay niyo po sa amin.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga in-expect na makakapag-perform kami dito as a group here in New York City.
They are so happy to be here and we're so proud being a Filipino for the unity na kinakailangan po natin ng bansa natin sa panganod ngayon. Kaya tayo po ay nakikisa ang sabayan ng Bacoreño kasama po sa pagdiriwang po natin dito.
We are delighted to introduce our sponsors, esteemed guests, and talented artists who will contribute to a truly memorable and meaning celebration this year. Join us as we celebrate aboard this cruise, enjoying the breathtaking New York City skyline. So everybody, I want you to enjoy and have a good day, for tomorrow we will celebrate. Okay? Thank you.
We are not just celebrating Philippine pride by processing down Madison Avenue. We are there to show that we are united as a people, we are united as a diaspora, and that is very important.
Muli nagpapasalamat on behalf of the City Government of Bacoor, the marching band capital of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy. Let's enjoy our parade tomorrow. Sama-sama po tayo, mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Magandang hapon po sa atin natin.
Let's make today's gathering a renewal in our shared pride, in our heritage. And let's hope that it will give us a deeper understanding that our independence is not a right inherited from the past, but a responsibility that we carry into the future.
We were informed na ang El Gobernador Band po ay ang kauna-unang ng Filipino marching band na nagpagtakal dito sa New York.
We future that we continue to build together, a future that is inclusive of all voices, a future that is empowered by collective action, and a future forever inspired by the sacrifices of those who came before us.
I'm proud to help introduce today a delegation from the Philippines here to help celebrate our 3rd annual Philippine Independence Day at the state capitol. They're joined by community leaders and the Philippine Consul General. I'd like to just recognize Philippine Consul General Senen Mangalili, Maria Faye Mangalili, Vice Consul Aguilar, the Honorable Mayor Strike Revilla, and the council member delegation of Levi Tela, Roberto Avenchula, Adrielito Garawan, Reynaldo Fabien, Miguel Bautista, Alejandro Gutierrez, Noli Galvez, Ricardo Ugdalde, Reynaldo Palabrisha, Simplicio Dominguez, Rogelio Nolasco, Karen Evaristo, and Edwin Ginto. Also accompanied by community leaders Dr. Deli Go, Angie Cruz, Dr. Emilio Quines, Aida Bartolome, and Nora Galleros. Ms. Speaker, if you could give them all the cordialities of the floor in honor and in commemoration of Philippine Independence Day, and also with all the community work and contributions of the Filipino-American community here in the great state of New York.
On behalf of Mr. Raga, the Speaker, and all members, we welcome you, our distinguished guests, to the Assembly Chamber, our Philippine Consul General, Mayor. We extend the privileges of the floor to you. Hope you enjoy our proceedings today. Thank you so very much for joining us.
Sama-sama po nating pagyamanin ang ating kultura at pinagmulan at patuloy ng mansakit at magtulungan para sa ating magandang kinabukasan. As we strive as one, dahil sa Bacoor at